Welcome to DJH. We've just had this lovely BMW 420 diesel M Sport come into stock. It's in a lovely condition, low mileage with the full M Sport aero pack on it. As you can see on the front, the deeper split spoiler, beautiful white contrasted with the black alloy wheels. The rear park distance control, a deeper rear diffuser, it's got electric windows, electric mirrors, electric memory seats, heated seats. Just start the car up. It's done 53,160 miles. Got satellite navigation, 3-stage heated seats, different driving modes: sport, eco, plus, dynamic, paddle shift if you prefer, full automatic, some media pack, DAB radio, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, your full menu, centre armrest, aux and USB. Absolutely looks and drives fantastic. Our cruise control as well. At DJH, we have full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please just call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.